Good afternoon, everyone. Okay, welcome to a Docus World, the grand launch of Docus Philippines. First of all, I want to thank our Almighty God for granting us this day to celebrate another milestone of my life. I'm more than happy to thank each and every one of you supporting me today, especially to our beloved guests. To my family, friends, and colleagues, to my Docus executives, Ricky, Eddie, and Leo, Docus Philippines family, Falcons family, media partners, my dear influencers, business partners, artists, and vendors. I am thrilled to be here today as we officially introduce Docus to the Philippines. This brand has already captured the hearts of consumers in the United States and Europe. And now, it's time to bring this amazing product to the Filipino market. Docus is known for creating headphones that are not only affordable, but also stylish and sleek. We understand the importance of sound quality, and we're proud to deliver a product that offers a great value without compromising on performance. As we celebrate this exciting journey today, we're unveiling the Docus World inspired by the lifestyle of Gen Zs and Millennials. These are generations that seamlessly integrate headphones into their daily routines, whether through music, productivity, or personal style. Docus is there every step of the way. Later in the evening, you'll experience Docus U, a world of creativity and self-expressions, perfect for students. Docus Active for those who are always on the go, and Docus Airlines for travel comfort. And Docus HQ, designed for those who need a premium sound quality while staying productive. These worlds reflect how Docus headphones are not just functional, but essential to the modern life. Again, I am your Gen Z President and CEO, and it's my honor to handle this brand to the Philippines. Thank you for joining us, and we hope you enjoy the rest of the evening as we take you through the Docus experience. And as part of the Gen Z, I'm proud 27-year-old CEO. And of course, I would like to thank everyone, especially my co-fellow Gen Zs. Thank you for being here supporting me today. And I really believe on our capacities, our Gen Zs and Millennials. We can do more and we can do better. Again, welcome to the world of Docus headphones. Thank you.
Everyone here in SM North EDSA Annex, let's give a round of applause for Docus Philippines. Let's cut the ribbon in 3, 2, 1. Welcome to the Philippines! Docus Philippines once again. Alright, maybe we can have a photo with our executives first. Alright. Once again, Docus Philippines and Shenzhen Boy Industrial Company Limited. Alright, one last photo with everyone. Alright. Congratulations once again to this synergy and partnership between the two companies. Congratulations to the official grand launch of Docus Philippines. And at this point,